I first started losing my hair probably 5 or 6 years ago, up towards the top here. And I tried different things. I tried herbal supplements. I went to the doctor. It made me increasingly self-conscious about the fact that I was losing my hair. My husband didn't understand because he was losing his hair as well, and he didn't understand that for a woman it's a lot worse. So he actually made the appointment for me here at Main Image, and we came in for a consultation, and it's made a huge difference in my life. I feel so much better about myself. No one ever realized, other than a few close friends, what I had done. They just thought I'd gotten a new hairstyle or colored my hair differently or something, but it's made a huge, huge difference. And everyone here at Main Image is just so nice. It's just been, it's reassuring and it's friendly, and I just love coming here. It's made a difference across the board. I'm definitely more confident. Before I had this done, my oldest daughter got married, and the wedding pictures really disturbed me because you could see how thin my hair is. A little over a year ago, my youngest daughter got married, and what a huge difference. I was more confident, I was out on the dance floor. I think I dress better, I take better care of myself. I'm back to wearing makeup that I didn't do before because I didn't see the point. So definitely a big boost in self-esteem and happier overall.